Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is DJI Mini 2 foldable drone. This easy-to-use drone is a multi-rotor quadcopter weighing under a pound. It's small and light, with 4K video, 12 megapixel photos, and a 10-kilometer video transmission range. It has a flight time of 31 minutes and can withstand winds of up to 38 kilometers per hour. It features simple controls and pre-programmed movements, making it ideal for first-time flyers. With a max battery life of 31 minutes, Mini 2 grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot. Mini 2 can resist level 5 winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. Mini 2 supports up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to fly farther and see clearer. There's no need to get so close for your dream shot. 4x digital zoom makes it safer and more convenient when transitioning between shots of varying distance and composition. Our second best drone for beginners is Holy Stone HS510 GPS drone. This Holy Stone drone can record 4K Ultra HD video with a 120-degree wide field of view. In addition, it is compact, foldable, and lightweight enough. It is able to use every single pixel, giving you crystal clear photos and film. This allows the camera to provide smooth 4K video at 16 frames per second, 2.7K video at 25 frames per second. HS510 is definitely a travel essential. This 4K drone has compact design in that the quadcopter arms and propeller blades can be folded. It is small, with GPS follow me, point of interest, tap fly, the aircraft can shoot stable aerial shots. With a carrying case, it is much more convenient to carry while traveling. Dual satellite connectivity using both GPS and GLONASS navigation systems, which means you should never lose a signal outdoors. Along with the optical flow positioning, barometer and satellite systems, and it has terrific return to home point and a new more precise landing technology. Let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Parrot PF728,000 Anafi foldable drone. The Parrot Anafi is a foldable drone that comes with a padded case, ideal for those traveling with a drone. The unique 180-degree tilting camera lets you film action above the camera. The Anafi Parrot drone can have up to 25 minutes of filmed flight time, thanks to an intelligent LiPo battery that optimizes its life and charges 60% faster using the power delivery USB Type-C charger. Equipped with a Parrot SkyController 3 folding remote control, the Anafi Parrot drone can be located at any time, thanks to the activation of your smartphone's vibrator when attention or immediate action is needed, as well as the geofence, smart RTH, and Find My Drone functions. The Parrot Anafi case is designed to protect your drone from everyday use without compromising style or practicality. It includes an elastic strap to clip onto bags. The USB Type-C charging system reflects the drone's portability. Charge the drone's smart battery with a power bank or with the USB Type-C charging system off your smartphone or computer. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is DJI Air 2S drone. This easy-to-use drone is a multi-rotor quadcopter weighing under a pound. It's small and light, with 4K video, 12 megapixel photos, and a 10-kilometer video transmission range. It has a flight time of 31 minutes and can withstand winds of up to 38 kilometers per hour. It features simple controls and pre-programmed movements, making it ideal for first-time flyers. DJI Air 2S features DJI's most advanced O3 image transmission technology, giving you an ultra-smooth, clear, and reliable image feed every time you fly. DJI Air 2S has the ability to perceive its environment in 4 directions, that is up, down, forward, and backward, allowing it to actively avoid obstacles, even in complex scenarios and at high speeds. Number 5 in our top 5 best drone for beginners list is Potensic A20W drone. If you want to introduce your child to drone flying and drone photography, the Potensic A20W is a great option. It does contain an HD 720p camera for both films and images, albeit the quality isn't quite professional. Furthermore, the bundled remote features 2.4G Wi-Fi, allowing you to connect to the device via an app for even more functionality. The A20W is simple to fly, especially for individuals who are new to drones, with one-button takeoff and landing, as well as headless and altitude hold modes. When using a smartphone, it also includes gravity induction mode, which allows you to control the drone by tilting the phone. For such a small, low-cost drone, it is really stable to fly. The strong propeller guards are a pleasant sight to protect the drone, your home, and other people, especially since this is made for kids. Up to 31 minutes flight time, 44 miles per hour max speed, 907G takeoff weight, 3-axis gimbal for steady shots, 8 GB internal storage, SD card support up to 128 GB. Functions include Active Track 2.0, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, hyperlapse, low noise design, adjustable aperture, HDR photos. The standard remote controller offers up to 135 minutes of battery life on a full charge. Use with the DJI Go 4 app on your smartphone. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.